Friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. This video is based on request so many people that how many types the filter of the FCU, and then how we can open the filter FCU, and then how if we want to change the capacitor or blower motor, how we are going to open the first step. So I'm going to show you in this video 3 types of the FCU, how we can open the filters, how we can change the capacitor, and everything you can get in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to the topic and continue. So now we are here, you can see the grill. We open the grill. This one we can easily open. Actually, this one is the very old model. You can see there. So this filter, you can see the 4. You can see here bar, the side bar, then top. But this filter only you can open the down. Got 3 screw. My camera can show you. These 3 screw, if you open, you can take out your filter down, then wash it, or if any work you want in the FCU, easily can do. So I just, for the demonstration, I open. Okay friends, so you can see here, this one is the big blower motor. One blower, then very big. So this one very old model, not a new model. Nowadays the new model is small motor and then 2 blower. But this one you can see here, very old model. So filter also you can see the very big. So once you want to wash the filter and then fix back the same way, the sliding, then push up, then fix the bar down. Then you fix this bar. Now we go to the second FCU and then we see how. This one is the second type of the FCU. You can see this one is the filter. How we are going to open. You can see the clip. Just twist. Then other side also. Just twist and then take out the filter. Then we can easily wash. Now you can see the blower motor, and then if you want to change the capacitor or change the blower or clean the blower, you can easily open by these clips. So this one is the second type of the FCU. If we wash, then we fix back the same way. Just slide in. So easily we can fix the FCU filter. Now we go to the third type of the FCU. Okay friends, this one is the third type of the FCU. So you can see this one is the quite different. This filter we open by normally sliding on the side, or if we open the top bar also we can pull up. So this one is the best way to slide out. So you can see this bar, we take out that one, then we can slide out. If we open the screw, I open it already for the demonstration, then we slide out. So this one got two filters, small one, you can see. We can move like that. Then we can easily take out. We take out the clip. Take out. Then you can easily do your work whatever you want, or wash your filter easily. So this one is the, I know only the 3 types of the FCU. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.